Hey, what's going on, you guys? A little early. I've been up since about 6. I had that Friday duty yesterday, so I'm home now. Got the weekend, charging up all my camera batteries, making sure that my my new accessory head strap mount for my mask is ready to go, because I'm going to be paintballing today over at Paintball Adventures in Jacksonville, so hopefully I'll get some bomb-ass gameplay footage there. You know, and then also I was gonna come home, fill my air tank so I can come home and do some marker reviews for you guys this weekend. Tomorrow I'm gonna be going to the shooting range and finishing up some of my firearm content, and probably also drop a car video or two on you guys. Alright, change of plans, guys. Originally I was gonna paintball today like I told you guys, but I just remembered there is a huge car show here in Jacksonville called Driving for Dreams. It's a charitable event for a good cause, and hit up the boys, and we are going to meet up there. I think one of my boys is actually entering in the car show. You can never just go to a car show to chill. He's always got to enter his whip. It is a very nice car, not what you'd expect. None of the cars you're thinking. You'll see. I'll get footage of that there. So I am still going to give you guys that paintball footage that I promised, but it'll be tomorrow, which is good because usually Sunday's a bigger turnout anyway. So that's good. Saturday's usually a slow day at the park I go to. So there's that. Pole there. Yes, stock power's decent, I guess. She puts it down. So this place is about 13 minutes away. It's right there on the water. My boy Frank is going to be there, who has a stage 3 twin turbo Audi that I will be doing footage and videos of pretty soon. My other boy Silver is going to be there. He's the one that's entering the car show. Launch. Right now, I know it's really hard to hear me, and I apologize for that. Alright, getting on the freeway on-ramp here. 60, 70. Are you on coilovers?
What's that?
Are you on coilovers or springs?
I was. I took them back off. Those are sports truck lowering springs.
Looks good. I had springs on my SI, but it was really bouncy.
There you go. There's my buddy.
Oh, sweet.
He's the one that helped me vinyl wrap.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice, man. I need a gimbal. That's cool, man. I mean, it's no Audi, but have to get the job done, I guess. Oh, this one's wrapped. I was just talking to him about getting a vinyl wrap too. The whole car though. Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's super sweet.
I've always been a sucker for the Shelbys.
Yeah, they're nice, man. Old Eleanor.
I was going to buy one of these after last deployments. I heard they were coming out.
Yeah. Wow, that is gorgeous.
What about a steady cam?
Yeah. I'm trying to have a steady hand, but you know. Oh, that's super clean. That's gorgeous.
One of the nicest car colors there is.
Yeah, that is gorgeous.
Typical Japanese hater.
This car is like legendary though. This has a lot of history to it. This is like One of the first rear-engine Japanese cars.
Yeah.
Because it just looks so aggressive.
I remember it on Need for Speed 1 in like 9th favorite cars ever.
Shelby GT.
Yep.
Wow, that is gorgeous.
GT. The new one's super nice, dude. I was just watching a video the other day.
Man, that is sweet. Huge supercharger, top mounted. Little rig supercharger.
The new one has the same engine as the Ford truck. It's a sick.
You're in a sour mood today. Frank's in a sourpuss mood, guys. Stupid fucking cars.
Put it this way. I like pretty much every car here besides for that Camaro.
Look at this. It's the same engine my Civic used to have, actually. There goes the fastest car here. Sounds so fucking good. Got the racing bucket seats and the harnesses.
Mithril?
Yeah. Mithril. Do a little back shot, low light. Got the 5.5-inch cat back on there. That's the money.
Get job on Amazon and get whatever you need on the way to work.
Sweet. Oh, it's tied down, but that's cool. So you can ball the captain on. Nice. The horn that I need to get installed in my car.
Yeah. Size of your engine.
It's a strategic park job to look lower than he really is here. Make sure that lip's scraping paint. Typical Mazda driver. Sorry, I'll start hating too.
Good.
Frank.
Good.
I'm full of hate.
People like hate.
Windows half cracked, oldest trick in the book. Well, let's check the old undercarriage, boys. It's for EOD?
Yes.
Awesome. That's sweet. Pretty expensive toy.
Yeah, this robot's about 120.
Sounds all right.
Pocket change, right?
Right,
absolutely.
Beer money. That's sweet.
Jobs in the Navy that I wouldn't do.
Yeah. So it'll be a SEAL, but you won't be EOD. Got the same outfit in blue. It's a little heavy, but it's still dancing it. It's like the pit boy from Fallout. All right, flat black.
Finally, something worth checking out.
That's what I'm saying. Look at the thickness of that door. It's bulletproof, no doubt. Oh, that's freaking sick. Some SWAT equipment. This is the definition of badass. That's sick. Hey, how you doing, man?
Feeling good, man. How are you?
Good, good. Glad you guys showed up. There's not much of a turnout out here, so at least we got something cool to look at.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's a beast. I've actually never seen one of these up close before. That's impressive.
Yeah, this is our bigger one. We have a smaller one, but this is our older one.
It's a big one.
Yeah. I don't want to
This is super solid. Got the universal key here. Nice.
Yeah. Usually gets the job done.
Yeah. What do you guys use the launcher for? Tear gas and stuff?
Actually, that's less lethal. Basically, it's similar to a bean bag round, but we use like a foam.
That's sweet.
It's pretty bad. It'll do the job.
That's awesome.
Stop somebody.
Yeah, absolutely.
No light.
Oh, I don't think these AMG brakes are big enough.
Great beer, great responsibility.
Jesus.
2017
It's like dinner plates.
Wisconsin. Average analysis 12.
Congrats, man.
I lost that to show somebody I invited.
Yeah, you totally. Whoa! It's magic.
You're gonna wear it out. Yeah. No, you can't wear it out.
Oh, that is super clean. Definition of a chop top. Look how low that is. Oh man. Gotta have the dice in the mirror. It's a prerequisite for this era. You have to.
This thing here is the same color as my '69 Camaro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice meat in the back. The old meat and potatoes. Oh, yep. Let's get in there nice and deep like.
Can't even see the license plate.
I think he has 4 batteries.
Hey.
Oh, does he? Let me see that. What's up, bro?
The motor's inside, but I don't know No,
Is
you
it?
have to pay for it. He's got, since he entered, he's got a voucher.
all right.
But it's right in that conference room inside.
Yeah, that explains it.
Remember that time that embarrassed you up in Jersey?
Oh yeah, barely. We were drinking a lot. I barely remember that. That was a good time, actually. All right, guys. The PSS de Resistance, the finest whip out here is that old Golf in the middle. She's all original, guys. In case you had any questions about how straight the bodywork is. Sorry, I had to be surrounded by these pieces of shit here, but the roof rack increases downforce, as you can see.
Check out that suspension.
Oh shit! Oh god! Multicolored body panels.
That's custom, by the way.
That is custom.
With the custom D-badge grill on there.
Weight reduction, guys. This rust eating away here at these original hubs. That's also weight reduction. Got some 160s up front for extra grip. What is this, my grandma's car? The guy who drives this must have a really small wiener. Ah, vortex generators.
Sounds good.
Perfect timing. Camera's about to die, but extra battery, so. Ah, little cup of diesel fuel in the front.